G'day ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. I'm Chrissy, thanks for joining me. If this is the first time you've visited, welcome, and if you would like to view more of my videos, please consider subscribing and perhaps give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying this video, I occasionally share ideas and painting techniques and live stream from time to time. And don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you don't miss out on any videos as I upload them. I also have a Facebook page called Share Your Art with Xrissart, where you can share your art journey with us. The details are listed in the description box below. This is part 2 of the element realms. I will put a link to part 1, water and air, in the description box below. This portion of the painting is fire and earth. And I demonstrate how to paint with PanPastels, pastel pencils, and I share my processes on the pastel paintings, or on my pastel paintings. This painting is part of my Element Collection playing deck of cards. This painting would have to be the most challenging project painting I've done to date. Whilst I've painted large size paintings before, this is the largest and the most epic to date. I've painted this project mostly on live streams, and we'll put a link of the playlist in the description box below. The art supplies I used are PanPastels Pastel Pencils on 100 cm by 70 cm Pastelmat Board. Additionally, I used masking film to mask off areas where I needed. One of the most challenging parts in this section was the trees. I had to figure out how I was going to paint a lot of trees in the distance. I'm just going to go a little sideways here with this story, so stay with me. I was driving to work, as I do every day, and I was thinking about these trees that I wanted to paint for quite a while. Well, every day I drive past masses of trees, and I was looking at them for quite a bit, and I thought, how can I paint those trees with all of those darks, lights, shadows and highlights? And it suddenly dawned on me that I could only see the tops of the trees and not much of the trunks. I mean, I could see the branches, but not much of the trunks. Well, I thought, yep, this is how I'm going to do it. Just show a suggestion that there's masses of trees rather than paint individual trees and their trunks. In comes the hacked up oil painting brush, which I cut up on a live stream, and I cut this in the shape that I wanted, and then just picked up the pastel from the pan and made various dark and light shapes of treetops. So for the most part, it was just a mere suggestion that there were masses of trees all bunched together, and to think I did this with a hacked up oil painting brush. Always remember, there's no right or wrong way to do something, so long as you get the outcome that you're looking for. Be sure to view the next video, which is coming up soon. I will be introducing the story that will be accompanying the deck, and I will reintroduce the kings, the queens and the princes in this story. You'll get to find out more about them and their characters and how they relate to each other.